Here are the 5 best egg protein powder. So, let's go. Number 1, most popular. Robb Vanilla Egg White Protein Powder. With a plethora of flavors and a competitive 24 g of protein per serving, this is a product that starts off with the right focus. Egg proteins can taste weird to those familiar with whey, but Robb's egg protein powder seems to have taken this on board and put some focus into the taste. They use a healthy dose of 0-calorie, indigestible sweeteners to achieve this, meaning a low sugar content. Number 2. M&M Nutrition Egg White Protein. The M&M Natural Egg White Protein is no more or less effective than any other egg white protein powder on the market. Rather, M&M attempts to sell the product on transparency and an approach to production that is responsible. They aim for organic, which really doesn't matter, ethical farming and trade practices, which definitely may be important to you. The result is a product that is more expensive than many other alternatives on the market, with very little nutritional difference to show for it. There are ethical reasons to choose this product, but from a performance and nutrition standpoint, it doesn't do anything special. Number 3. BulkSupplements.com Egg White Paleo Protein Powder. Bulk Supplements' whole approach to supplements is this: simple, effective, great value. This is exactly what you can expect of their egg white-based paleo protein powder. Fortunately, this paleo protein powder is far more effective and reasonable than the paleo diet itself. It provides 25 g of protein per serving, around a gram more than most of the high-quality whey protein powders on the market, without any added sugar, soy, milk, yeast, or additives. This makes it a 100% pure egg white protein powder at a great price, and avoids many of the hidden ingredients you simply don't need. Number 4. Smart 138 Pure Egg White Protein Powder. This product is off to a great start with a competitive 27 g of protein per serving. The servings are 10% bigger than the products we've discussed so far, but that's not a huge problem since it comes at a reasonable price. This is a totally UN-sweetened product, either by sugar or sweetener, so you should be expecting it to taste relatively similar to egg whites. This is a bit less appealing than other products which provide sweetness. We actually really like this approach, since many protein powders taste awful when sweetened. Number 5. Naked EGG 3-pound non-GMO Egg White Protein Powder. If you've read any of our reviews before, you'll know we're big fans of Naked and their supplements. They balance a no-nonsense approach to dietary supplements with the effective, scientifically proven ingredients. Naked also provide 25 g of protein per serving, with a much lower sodium content than other products on the list so far. Usually, you'd expect 25% of your daily sodium, but Naked is only 16%, a marked improvement. Sodium can be useful, but you should be limiting your intake and balancing it with potassium intake, which Naked actually provides 9% of your daily intake.
Thanks for watching the video.